Hello everyone and welcome to the Stimulsoft YouTube channel. Today I will show how to use Stimul AI for report globalization. Open a report in the designer. Click Preview to display the report. The invoice is currently localized only in English. Go back to the report designer. Click the Browse button for the globalization strings property or select the Report tab in the ribbon and click Globalization Strings. Click the Add Culture button. Select a culture, for example German. Enable the Translate using Stimul AI option. Click OK and the culture will be added with translated fields. Add one more culture, for example Chinese. Also enable the Translate using Stimul AI option. Close the Globalization Strings editor. Set the Auto-Localize report on Run property to True. Set the Culture property to German. Click Preview to display the report. Now the report fields are localized into German. Go back to the designer. Set the Culture property to Chinese. Click Preview to display the report. Now the report fields are localized into Chinese. You can manually adjust translations in the Globalization Strings editor if needed. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like our video and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye!